Investors are not really excited that you found a good asset. They want to know who you are, what's your track record, and what will you do with that asset? Like what you're doing, brother, in Mississippi, in Cleveland. You're changing the world. You are. I mean, giving so many great families a home to live in. I mean, that's what it's all about. You got to have the service attitude, serving tourism, servicing residents, tourists, residents, and seniors. I
And
say those
seniors.
three seniors. Serving attitude. You know, you are getting up in the morning. Why? You want to bring great housing. Could it be in hotels? Could it be in senior livings, multifamily, or storage units? They are huge storage units, mobile home parks, marinas. That's what I'm expanding more and more into it. Mind is just as small as you think. Mind is as big as you think.
And
You
that
don't need to
brings
be.
that brings
Go ahead.
out diversification. So there's a model I've
Totally.
seen where the barbell theory exists, right? So some paper assets, some real estate
Yeah.
assets, and some
Yes.
debt assets, and they tend to, depending on how old the person is, what their goals are, what their
Totally.
assessment is, they'll say, shift among this,
Totally.
shift among that. But a
Yep.
lot of financial advisors do all of it just on the paper side. They'll put a person into bonds, they'll put a person into REITs, and they'll put a person into, Fortune 500
That's the
companies.
worst thing one can do. I'm telling you. Can I say that? Oh my gosh. That's
Yep.
the worst thing one can do, to put all your money in Wall Street and lose it all, or make some money, or maybe 8% is the average, 8.10 over 15 year, in stock market. The retirement funds should never be, well, no, they should be in both places, but you could do self-directed IRAs, self-directed 401ks, self-directed EQRPs, and kiosk plans, all this. That way, you have a checkbook control to find a good deal in real estate or whatever. Could be precious metals, could be wherever, right? You should balance. Don't put all eggs in one basket. Because if the basket is blown out, you will not have anything left. Anything left. I mean, diversification is the key to success. And real estate, multi-millionaires are made with real estate, nothing else. Every millionaire, every multi-millionaire, billionaire has so much portfolio so that they can hedge their active incomes, passive incomes. The beauty is, I just interviewed Ted Lanzaro yesterday, right? It's so fresh in my mind. And he says, Vinny, in your hotels, you will have 1.5 or 2 million